everyone, today we're going to review different ways to write a nonfiction introduction. Okay, we've already talked about how we have three main ways. First one is naming your topic, the second one is asking a question, and the third one is sharing a fun fact. I'm going to go over them really quickly, and then I'll show you how to add one to your writing. So the first one is name your topic. This one is probably the simplest one, where you just tell people what you're going to be writing about. So for example, over here, today I'm going to teach you all about the cutest animal in the world, koalas. Okay, I'm just telling the reader that that's what I'm going to teach them about. Today I'm going to teach you all about animals. Today I'm going to teach you all about hide and go seek. You can do this in lots of ways. The second way that you can start your introduction is by asking a question. So for example, for my hide and seek book, I could ask, have you ever played the game hide and go seek? It's really fun. And even here I added the first strategy. Today I'm going to teach you all about hide and go seek. So first I asked a question, and then I name my topic. You could ask another question. Have you ever seen a flamingo sleeping? Isn't it really cool? Or you can ask a question like, do you like ice cream? Because I'm going to tell you all about it today. Those kind of questions will get your reader really interested. The last way that we can introduce our writing is by sharing a fun fact. And often you can start it by saying, did you know? So for example, for my poison dart book, did you know a poison dart frog has enough poison on his back to kill 20,000 mice? Read on to find out all about poison dart frogs. Okay, you can ask any kind of question that you think will interest your reader. For example, did you know that a flamingo sleeps standing on one leg? Isn't that cool? Read on to find more. So now that we learned the three different ways to write an introduction, I'm going to show you how to do one really quickly. Now remember, you can use one or two or even three if you really want to challenge yourself. So this is my book about plants, and I was thinking that I was going to share a really fun fact about it. So I'm going to use the third one, sharing a fun fact, to start, and I'm going to start by saying, did you know that bees help plants grow? And then I'm going to add the first strategy too. I'm going to name my topic so that they know my book isn't about bees, but it's really about plants. Today, I'm going to teach you all about plants. And how they grow. So now we have our three, I'm just going to review quickly the three ways that we can make an introduction. The first one, just naming our topic, which I tried over here. Today I'm going to teach you all about plants and how they grow. We can ask a question, and we can share a fun fact. And remember, I shared a fun fact here. Did you know that bees help plants grow? If you use one of these strategies, naming your topic, asking a question, sharing a fun fact, it's going to make your readers much more interested in your writing. So I suggest you try one of them, and if you want to challenge yourself, maybe two or even three.